Ever taken a sip of coffee so velvety smooth, it feels like a warm hug in a cup? Or have you ever wondered why your homemade creamy coffee never quite tastes like the one from your favorite cafe? Welcome back to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today, we're diving into the world of creamy coffee perfection. Because let's face it, a cup of coffee isn't just a drink, it's a ritual. And when done right, it's pure comfort in a mug. But here's the challenge. Getting that rich, creamy texture at home can be tricky. Too thin, and it loses that luxurious feel. Too thick, and it overpowers the coffee. And let's not forget those pesky milk curdles, or that bitter aftertaste when things go wrong. So, how do you get it just right? The secret lies in the right ingredients and proper technique. Let's break it down. First, the milk choice. Whole milk, oat, almond, or even coconut can change the game. Next, the frothing method. A steam wand for cafe-style froth, a French press for silky microfoam, or a simple hand whisk for a light, airy touch. And don't forget the add-ins. A dash of cinnamon, a hint of vanilla, or even a spoonful of condensed milk can take it to the next level. But if you want the ultimate creamy coffee, try this. Heat your milk slowly, froth it until velvety, then blend it into your coffee with a spoonful of heavy cream and a touch of honey. Smooth, rich, and downright indulgent. And there you have it. Your guide to the creamiest coffee ever. Whether you're cozying up with a book or starting your day right, a soul-warming cup makes all the difference. What's your go-to method for creamy coffee? Share your tips in the comments. And if you love coffee deep dives, don't miss our last video. Coffee Myths Busted. What you really need to know. You'll see it on your screen. Check it out.